Movie theater, cinema hall screen, add yours story on Instagram. So if you want to add your template of movie theater, cinema hall screen, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, now you just need to simply go with the search, which is on the bottom left. And under your search, you need to search for add your sticks and tap on the profile, which looks like this. And here you will have the highlight of February 2024 P1. Just simply tap on it, and then you can simply go with the 14th or the 15th template, which looks like this. And here you will have add yours option. Tap on add yours, and after that you will have this kind of interface. So you can simply take a video or then upload a photo. From the bottom left, you can upload a photo or video, and after that add that to your story. So that's it. That's how you can have the movie theater cinema hall screen, add your story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.